Hey, it's Megan with WTI. And sure, when you're camping, you can go in the woods and hack off a branch for a roasting stick. But why do that when you can have these awesome Jolly Green products, campfire roasting sticks? I love that these roasting sticks come with their very own handy zippered storage bag. This way I know that they're always together and I don't have that risk of losing them. These sticks have a really beautiful robin egg blue wooden handle that feels really smooth and comfortable to hold in my hand. These extend out to the perfect length to reach our campfire so we can roast our campfire goodies without getting too close to that heat. A really cool feature of these roasting sticks that I have never seen before is the built-in thumb wheel. It is really easy to get an even roast on my wieners or marshmallows or whatever I want to roast on the fire just by simply turning this thumb wheel. For me personally, it makes it much less likely that I'm going to drop the roasting stick since I can keep a firm grip on the handle while turning the thumb wheel. I am really looking forward to the upcoming camping season, and I definitely will be taking these awesome roasting sticks with me. And that's my point of view.